Let's make some pumpkin dip. This is so good. I used to make this when my kids were younger, and this is super easy to make to carry to a gathering or a fall party, which is what I'm about to do. So you'll need 1 tub of Cool Whip, and that's the small tub. That's 8 ounces of Cool Whip, and you'll need a very large mixing bowl. Add 1 large can of pumpkin pie mix, not puree, pumpkin pie mix, and I will get the ounces on that when I post this in the description. Add 2 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese, so you'll want to let those sit out for 30 minutes to an hour before you make this recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then you'll need a mixer for this. Go ahead and just mix this together, and we're not done yet. We're going to add 1 more ingredient. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. This really depends on how sweet you want the dip. You can add more powdered sugar, but I really like it this way, not very sweet, because you're going to have little cookies that you're going to dip into this. And typically you would use graham crackers, vanilla wafers, ginger snaps. I found some maple cookies to dip in this, and they're shaped like a maple leaf. They're so cute. But those cookies already have a lot of sugar in them, so you don't want this overly sweet. I find 3/4 cup of powdered sugar is plenty. Yes, I had to help my poor old mixer along. My husband's declared this is what I'm getting for Christmas. He saw me struggling in the kitchen. But voila, we're done with this. And this looks so festive on a charcuterie board or even a party tray. And you can even dip apples in this as well.